Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the HP so updates install without interruption. Plug the laptop into AC power and set sleep to never. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Once done, make a system restore point or copy critical files to an external drive so you can recover if something goes wrong. Make sure your network is stable, prefer wired. Then pause VPNs and disconnect non-essential USB devices so drivers don't conflict during installation. You now run the updater. Open Settings, navigate to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for updates and watch for both Windows cumulative updates and HP driver/firmware packages. Install optional HP driver updates to ensure device stability. If the system needs multiple reboots, allow them. Updates often finish in stages. Make sure to save work before restarting, and if you prefer, schedule the restart for a time you won't be interrupted. Finally, confirm completion. Reopen Windows Update and review update history to ensure all patches applied. Then run HP Support Assistant to check for firmware and driver updates that Windows might not supply. If something misbehaves, use Windows Update Troubleshooter or uninstall the most recent update through View Update History Uninstall Updates. This often resolves boot or driver issues. If problems persist, restore from your system, restore point, or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.